Hey guys, what's up and welcome back, it's Zach. Today I'm going to be going over all forms of tropical vitamin A. I'm going to tell you what tropical vitamin A does for your skin, how it works, and what the risks are. I'm also going to tell you how you can implement tropical vitamin A into your skincare routine. And lastly, I'm going to talk about my personal experience with tropical vitamin A as I have used it for over 8 years. Let's jump into it. Go into any store, drugstore, or beauty store, whether it's Ulta or Sephora, you're going to be overwhelmed with a number of tropical vitamin A products. Why does everybody want this? Vitamin A in a tropical form can come in either a cream, lotion, or gel. A cream is going to be better for dry-skinned people, and a gel is going to be better for oily-skinned people. The difference between that is just viscosity and formulation, and it does not affect efficacy of tropical vitamin A. It can either be bought over the counter or a prescription. It is mainly used to treat acne, sun-damaged skin, as well as wrinkles and fine lines. It targets these skin conditions by speeding up your cell turnover rate. Naturally, your skin is going to turn over in about 28 days, but with the use of a tropical vitamin A, you're going to be able to turn over your skin faster. Tropical vitamin A does this by dividing your skin cells faster and killing off your skin cells faster as well. This is great because newer and healthier skin can shine through. There are 3 forms of tropical vitamin A. There's retinol, retinoid, and retinoic acid. Let's start off with retinol. Retinol is sold as a cosmeceutical, meaning that it doesn't go through FDA approval, and it doesn't have to show efficacy for treatment of acne or treatment of wrinkles and fine lines. That doesn't mean that retinols don't work though. My personal favorite retinol that I have used is the Inky List Retinol Serum. This was featured in my Summer's Empties video, which I'll leave up here. The serum was super lightweight, it was almost like a gel consistency, and I found that it did a really great job at cleaning out my pores that were congested around my nose. I can't comment on how efficacious it was against wrinkles and fine lines because I only used it for 1 bottle, which is 1 fluid ounce, and I don't really have a lot of wrinkles and fine lines. The next step up from that is going to be retinoid. Currently in the United States, you're able to get retinoid over the counter as brand name Differin, or La Roche-Posay also has their version of Differin. Otherwise, you can also get retinoid as a prescription, and I previously used Adapalene 30% prescription. This over-the-counter retinoid, brand name Differin, works very well and is branded as treatment for acne, but has also been shown to fight signs of aging as well. If you are not able to see a dermatologist or a treating physician to give you a prescription tropical vitamin A, I really suggest going with Differin or the La Roche-Posay, and although it does say for acne, if you're trying to treat fine lines and wrinkles, I recommend giving that a try. Lastly, we're going to be talking about retinoic acid, which is the gold standard. I recently got prescribed Tretinoin, which is retinoic acid, and I'm super excited to take you guys along the journey with me. Like all of these formulations that are prescribed, they do come in different strengths. Tretinoin can be in 0.025%. I was prescribed 0.05%. Since starting Tretinoin, I have been going through a little bit of a purging phase, but on my face, I do have a couple of breakouts as well as on the neck. And I have had a little bit of peeling in the morning. I wake up and my skin is flaking a little bit. That is totally normal, as my skin is adjusting to the higher strength. To prevent peeling and aggravation, you can do a couple of things like use a thicker moisturizer at night or in the day. You can even use oils on the face to help soften the skin. I do have a video coming out about oils on the face, so stay tuned for that. Another tip if you're suffering from the peeling and aggravation from your first time using a tropical vitamin A, is instead of applying that tropical vitamin A everywhere, you can just concentrate it to certain places on your skin. It's still gonna get everywhere. Skincare doesn't just stay where you put it. If you put it right here, it doesn't mean it's only gonna treat right there. It does move around a little bit when it absorbs into your skin. But if like I'm getting flaking here, so I'm just not going to apply it right here anymore. I'm just gonna kind of do my T-zone and more problematic areas, and I'll avoid like right here until my skin can get better used to it. Previously, I used tazarotene as treatment of acne. It can also be used as treatment of psoriasis. Tazarotene has also been shown to reduce signs of fine lines and wrinkles within the face. It is also used for discoloration in patients and has shown a real big improvement for those patients who are also using other treatment methods. I see the biggest change with using topical vitamin A in my acne scars and hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory erythema after an acne mark heals and goes away. It leaves a red mark on my skin. In combination with things like alpha-arbutin, it really has helped clear up the skin. However, it must be noted that all forms of vitamin A, whether it's retinol, retinoid, or retinoic acid, you need to be using sun protection and be really on top of your game with reapplication, as sun exposure can cause insane aggravation to your skin, which is what happened to me. When I was prescribed tazarotene, I was not told to apply heavy moisturizers and restore my skin's barrier or to wear sunscreen, and my skin was burned, irritated, raw, red, and I still had that acne. I got a new dermatologist and she switched me to Adapalene, which was a lot more gentle on my skin. She told me to wear a sunscreen if I was gonna be outside, even if I'm not going to the beach. She said, if you're gonna be outside, even if you're gonna walk your dog for a half hour or an hour, make sure you have on sunscreen. To this day, I wear sunscreen every single day and I reapply multiple times a day, even if I'm not going outside at all, because I want to protect myself from UVA and UVB and have my skin as good as possible. I decided that since I'm really happy with the way that my skin is right now, it's pretty clear, it's not aggravated, it's pretty smooth, I'm super happy with my routine. Since my skin has shown such improvement, I figured it's time to step up and use the gold standard of tretinoin. Tretinoin has been studied extensively and has shown not only short-term but also long-term lasting effects of treatment of acne as well as appearance of wrinkles. I am really happy with my current skincare routine and my skin progression. I wanted to say thank you for having me reach 100 subscribers. I feel blessed to be able to help people with their skin because I did not have the best advice on my first treatment plan. Additionally, for the month of December, with all of the holidays coming up, I wanted to gift to you guys me posting videos twice a week. So I'm going to be posting Fridays at 8 a.m., which I currently do, as well as Mondays at 8 a.m. That way you can start your week and end your week with a little bit of me. I hope that this is really helpful for you guys. I have a couple of videos coming up that I think you guys will really like. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, I appreciate your time watching my channel, and I'm wishing you good skin health. Bye.